Hi, I'm Robert Wells. I'm an application engineer here at OR3D in Wales. OR3D are a laser scanning company and they specialise in reverse engineering and inspection as well as being a 3D consultant. OR3D work with a large range of companies from medical contractors through to large civil engineering government agencies. Over the past few months, OR3D have been working closely with 3D Systems, developing their software through beta testing and also acting as a conduit between some of our larger clients and themselves to help develop tools for Geomagic ControlX. The three key points of Geomagic ControlX are the ease of measurement, the ease to understand the data you collect, and the ease to report that data and communicate it to all stakeholders involved. Geomagic ControlX has an all-new pairing manager. This matches scan data to different areas on the CAD, meaning we can now dimension directly from the CAD and speed up the inspection process. Geomagic ControlX allows us to understand problems in measured parts faster than ever before. With a new result navigator, we can take different alignments, different measured datas, and record them all together in the same report. Flexible reporting in Geomagic ControlX is allowing us and other users to implement different alignment techniques and different models into one seamless report. Geomagic ControlX now has synchronous inspection. This means the software can understand the importance of different features in your inspection, such as alignments or creating annotations. This means we can work in different orders. We're not restricted to a history-based workflow. Creating inspections for our clients is now much easier and quicker. We can bring in native CAD files from the likes of SolidWorks, NX, CATIA. This means there's one less step for the client when creating the reports. Geomagic ControlX is by far the most intuitive yet powerful inspection software that I or anyone at OR3D has ever used.